No.
You can do it on top. Very good. That's right. It
Small.
looks like a cap. That's good. Very good. Next, another. What is that? Not a triangle anymore.
It's a human
It's
upstairs.
a human
It's a human
upstairs
sitting there.
on top of the cabinet. Okay.
It's sitting right
Looks
there.
like a girl.
It is a girl.
Wearing dress, right? Very cute.
Now it's a girl.
Okay, let's try another one. Another one. Okay. I want you to draw a present at the bottom. Present or a gift at the bottom. At the bottom of the cabinet.
Maybe upstairs so I can put a girl and she will get it and climb down and give to the child.
Follow the instruction of teacher, alright? So you have to draw a present at the bottom of the cabinet. Wow, that's very cute. That is a pink present. Very good.